Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi 13 and let me show you how to add Google account. First of all, open the settings, then mark Google and here click on sign to your Google account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise you will not be able to add your Google account. And now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. And select next. Now enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. And here we've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. If you do agree with everything, to read it, just mark the link. And here you've got it. If you do agree with everything, mark I agree. Actually, you have to, otherwise you will not be able to go further with the process. Tap on accept. And that's it. Your account is added. You can manage it however you like. Also, you can add another one if you want to. And then once you want to remove your account, just give it a couple of seconds. Here you've got all info about your account. You can go with all the setup, data and privacy, security, and so on. But if you want to remove your account, just open it again. Sorry, mark manage accounts on this device. And now click on the particular one, tap on more, and select remove. And then confirm it by tapping on remove account. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.